Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable soup with vegetable broth using an easy method. First, gather your fresh vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions. Make sure to chop them into uniform, bite-sized pieces for even cooking. Have your vegetable broth, a good quality olive oil, and your favorite seasonings ready to go. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Next, heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your chopped aromatic vegetables, like onions and celery, and sauté them until they are softened, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Pour in 6 cups of vegetable broth, bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer until all the vegetables are perfectly tender. Now it's time to season your delicious soup. Add salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your favorite herbs, such as thyme or bay leaves, to taste. Stir everything well, then taste and adjust the seasonings as needed to achieve a perfectly balanced flavor profile. Once seasoned to your liking, ladle the warm soup into bowls and garnish with fresh parsley or a drizzle of olive oil. For the best results, always choose seasonal vegetables. They offer superior flavor and nutrients. If you have any delicious leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. This soup is even better the next day. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check out the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.